Hi friends, in this problem we have to create 900 distinct n-digit numbers using the three digits 257 only. Right, distinct n-digit numbers and can be 4, 5, 2, 3, whatever. Right, but we can use 257 only. We cannot use 1, 4, 6, 8, 0, whatever those numbers. We can use these numbers only. But we have to create and 900 distinct n-digit numbers, right? So the smallest value of n for which this is possible, whether n is 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, whatever, right? So we have 2, 5 and 7. We have to create numbers using 2, 5 and 7. How many three-digit numbers we can create using uh, 3, 5 and 7 or 2, 5 and 7? Three-digit numbers. How many three-digit numbers we can create? We can we can create 3 into 3 because first slot can be taken by 2, 5 and 7. Similarly, second slot can also be taken by 2, 5 and 7. Third slot can also be taken by 2, 5 and 7. Basically, we are talking about 27 numbers. Right. For example, 222, 555, 255, 257, all sevens, all fives, whatever. This kind of numbers. Three digit numbers, how many we can create? We can create 3 into 3 into 3 because all three numbers can take the first slot, all three can take the second slot, all three can take the third slot, and the outer numbers that are created all are right. Three digit numbers we can create 27, which is not enough. We want 900 numbers, right? If it is four digit numbers, how many we can create? Again, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? First number can be any of these three, second can be any of these three, third can be any of these three, fourth can be any one of these three. So that is 81. Similarly, five digit numbers we can create 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 power 5. That is 243. That is also not sufficient. Right? We want n digit numbers 900 distinct n-digit numbers, right? If we create 5-digit numbers, then we are getting only 243. So we are not reaching 900, right? If we create 6-digit numbers with these three only, then also we are reaching 346, that is 243 into 3, which is still less than 900, right? But when we create 7-digit numbers using these digits, then we'll create 347, which is actually greater than 900. So the smallest value of n for which this is possible is actually 7, right? 7-digit numbers if we create with 2, 5 and 7, then there is a way to create 900 distinct 7-digit numbers. There is no way to create 900 distinct 3-digit numbers, right? Because 3-digit numbers, distinct numbers will come to 27 only. 4-digit numbers, distinct numbers will come to 81 only. Right. 7-digit numbers we can create greater than 900. Not just 900, we can create much more than 900. Right, guys? Hope you understood this. It's a simple problem, but it's a nice problem. Thank you, guys.